Okay, here we go. It's December 19th, 2008, and holy crap, we're getting a snowstorm. I apologize if the camera is a little unclear, because I got it covered with a plastic bag. Look how deep this is already. It's only been snowing for about an hour and a half. Maybe 2 hours. It started around noon time. I'm not sure what time it is now. Maybe after 2. But this is clear as possible. It's in a plastic bag. The temperature is, let's see, it's about 28, 27, 28. Look how deep that is. My car has been out since this morning. Let's see. We got maybe 2.5 inches already. We're supposed to get about 8 to 10. That's a lot of snow. I got my snowblower in there ready to go. Oh! Fuck, I want one of those. Oh, man. Sorry for swearing. I want a snowmobile so bad. Oh, I need one of those. And it is legal to ride a snowmobile down the road when we're having a snowstorm, which is cool. As far as I know, anyway. I can walk right down the middle of the road. The road is usually pretty busy around this time of day. Here comes a plow. Let's see if we got any mail. Oh, yeah, we got mail. Four-wheeler's not going to be able to go in this. It might be able to go in this little bit of snow here, but not for long. When it gets deeper, it won't be able to go. That's why I want to get a snowmobile. Oh good, it's sliding right off the roof, so I won't have to brush it off so much. Yes, the Hyundai is back. He couldn't get it to start. I got it to start fine. So, anyway. I'm gonna have to keep the snow away from the side of this. That tractor is gonna be there the rest of the winter. It's kind of pissing me off. It's an eyesore. This is our property too. That doubly pisses me off. Let's take a little walk, shall we? I'm going to have to edit this down a lot because it's going to be a long video. The snow is hitting me right in the face and the wind is just blowing. I'm walking east. And it's blowing pretty good. Hope you can hear me through this plastic. I don't even know. I'm gonna go right in the woods. It is really fucking cold. It's stinging my face. I really wish I had a snowmobile. And we're out in the field now. Oh, I should walk backwards. Alright, I'm gonna pause until I get in the woods. Okay. I just ran into the woods. I don't really know where I'm going, but I guess we can just take a look around. Here's a broken down fence where the railroad property starts. And there's the railroad tracks. Ugh. Let's see what's up here. Here's a bit of a trail down here. I don't hear a train coming, so I think it's safe to come up here. I'm glad I got this plastic bag on the camera. Wow. There has been a train coming through here in a while. Those two lights are off, so I'm assuming there won't be any trains for a little while. I don't ever get down. Oh, the wind's coming up. We're out of the woods now. It's getting really windy. If the snow a little harder, we might be able to call it a blizzard. Flakes are getting bigger a little bit now. Here's the house. Here's your neighbor's house. There's that road that they built in my special woods. I used to go out there when I was a little kid. Now they built a road there. Fucking sucks. Oh. Right out in the middle of this pure white field. Camera can see too good. So yeah, that's where we stand right now. I'll have to give you another update as the storm gets worse. So, until then, see you later.